In the fast lane of automotive manufacturing, real-time decisions aren't a luxury, it's survival. A global automotive parts manufacturer was dealing with scattered data across systems, inventory mismanagement, and spend leakages. Manual reporting and gathering data from disparate sources slowed them down and drained resources. With Lumenore, they centralized every data point into one powerful platform with tons of improvements in their operational processes. Now, production heads get instant alerts. Plant managers dig into the why with just a click, managing inventory and overall spend with ease. And the sales team? Always a step ahead with AI-powered sales analysis. No more guesswork. Lumenore AI-powered insights helps them cut downtime and predict issues before they happen. From line-level efficiency to utmost clarity, they finally had a single source of truth. The result? Faster decisions, fewer disruptions, and a manufacturing engine that runs like clockwork. Want to improve your manufacturing operations? Talk to a Lumenore expert today.